Welcome bosses. In this video we'll show you how to add photos to your gallery. Right now there's your page. You can see there's no gallery. You can add up to 10 photos over here as long as they're less than 3 megabytes in size, and that these are the file types you can use. So we'll just, you can add more than one photo at a time, so we're just going to add all 10 over here. Actually, we're not going to add that one. Okay, and you see that you automatically can add all the photos. Very quick, and if you want to delete one of the photos, just X out, and then you could add it back in. Of course, you could just drag these around so that you could put them in the order that you want. And now let's look at your page, and you could see over here your photo gallery, which you could click on, and people could scroll through. Now the default picture, the big picture, is whichever is the first picture. So again, if you just want to switch that to something else, now view your page, and you'll see that the life is short, enjoy your coffee, which is a personal motto of bosses everywhere, is now the default picture.